Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Yes, I want to start.
Sure. You can.
Okay, so mm, uh, uh, as we all are working for any organizations, or sometimes get too much work, and we have to finish that work in a limited time. Uh, at that point of time, we all have faced some difficulty due to lack of our skills or experience, uh, but sometimes we can do that work perfectly, but not in that limited time. So we all have faced this situation, and uh, we all uh, we all have think that we have
We
only
all
one
have
pair of
thought.
hand.
We all have thought.
We all have thought we have only one pair of hand. How we can do that? Uh, how we can do uh, too much of work? So let me give you my example. Whenever I get a work from my manager, uh, he always say that you can do this, you have a sound knowledge of these particular things, but he forget that I am currently doing my job, uh, for which I am getting paid. But he he also wants to uh, take some extra work from our end, like filling the data in Excel sheet, or giving some presentation, making some uh, managerial level work, like filtering the data, kind of things. So so I faced many difficulties in that scenarios. So uh, yes, I can say that I have one pair of hand. Uh,
Good.
so, ma'am, how I can extend this conversation or topic on next level?
You can also say that my
Like,
manager has or my team leader has a good sense of people. He understands people very well, and he is also very cool-headed person. He gives work to the people, and he always remains calm. I mean, there are certain things which you can use in this way, right?
okay, okay. So,
You
mm,
can also say
huh,
that somewhere I would say that whatever I am today, there is a hand of my hard work in my success. I have really done it, or this and that. That kind of things also you can add hand in success. Somebody's something's hand in your success. You know? Suppose it.
yes, ma'am.
So one or two sentences, two, three
I can,
sentences.
mhm. Yes, I can use that phrase like butterflies in my stomach as well,
You can
uh,
also say now when
in
I
that
was
in
also
this
a
discussion.
fresher, I used to have butterflies in my stomach, but today I'm confident.
Yes, when I was started
I
my
started.
journey in software,
I started.
uh, I started I
What made
started my
you?
journey in
Hmm.
software field. In field, many times I feel butterflies in my stomach, but nowadays I have the experience of handling that kind of situations. so I can handle uh, that situation in much mm,
Better way.
good sense, better
Okay.
way. Yeah,
In better
so
way.
so that's all I want to convey from my end.
Okay. Now we have Gayatri, who can also give her creation, can show her creativity now.
Yes. Um, so, I'll give you a latest example using one sentence. So that is when I as I stepped on the stage and saw all the when I about my presentation. So I have made sentence about to butterflies. I had butterflies in my stomach. So when I started my presentation, I saw all the eyes on me. So I had butterflies in my stomach that time. Like my voice went on low paced and my voice went low paced at first time, but after a deep breath, I gained my confidence and I delivered my speech smoothly. Then I answered all the question. Um, and my manager asked me lot of question that time, but I answered whatever I think that time. So I delivered very smoothly. So yeah, that's it.
Okay, good. Uh, Fine. You tried really well, both of you. And because it is again a new thing for you, something which is coming maybe first time in your court, first time you are handling it. But it will come to you. Now, I have a small task for you as it is Sunday tomorrow. There are 12 sentences you can see here, right? I want you to make uh, two sentences out from each given sentence, right? The thing is that as they are given in their own way. What you have to do is you have to make your own two sentence based on each, right? Okay. And when you finish it, then you share in the group. You can type,
Oh,
and you can text, right? You can write and send the pic, no problem. You can direct type and send any two. You have option out of two, you can send in one day. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. Do it. Tomorrow
Yes.
is Sunday. Do it. Send by evening. If you send by evening, then I'll give the feedback at the same time, or I'll tell you that it will be good for other students also. Okay, you have done this, and now you're making sentences also. This will also encourage them, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So enjoy your Sunday. See you on Monday, guys. Bye. Take care. Good night. Thank you.
Bye. Happy weekend all.
Thank you
Bye.
so much. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Good night, ma'am.
Good
Thank you.
night. Good night. Thank you. Hi, Pranav. Can you hear me? You're not visible actually. Hi, Pranav.
Hello,
हाय। Yeah, so all good?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, but you're not visible. I'm not able to see you. Good. How's classes going on? All good?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I was taking one more class. I have one more spoken English class. I was taking that. Just finished. Okay. So, revision is started. Good. Good. So what I thought, मैंने क्या सोचा है कि कल जब हम क्लास लेंगे ना, कल हम 2 घंटे की क्लास कर लेंगे क्योंकि अभी जरूरी है, आपके एग्जाम्स भी हैं। और उसमें हम क्या करेंगे, टेंसेस का पूरा लेसन कवर कर लेंगे। कैसे कवर करेंगे? आई विल गिव यू सम क्वेश्चंस स्क्रीन पर और उसे सॉल्व करना है। इसके साथ साथ में हम लोग रूल्स पर काम करते जाएंगे, है ना? मतलब क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते करते रूल्स पर काम करते जाएंगे, ये सोचना है। ठीक है। अब आज क्या करते हैं कि आज हम लोग लगभग 40 मिनट के अंदर हम लोग हमारे लेसन्स पर बात करते हैं थोड़ा सा। ठीक है। डिड यू हियर? सुनाई दिया आपने? मतलब डिड यू हियर व्हाट आई सेड? हम लोग थोड़ा लेसन्स के बारे में
Yes,
बात कर लेते हैं, है ना? तो सब क्या होता है, आपको वो कौन सा लेसन है, कौन सा लेसन या जो एक पोयम है, क्या लगता है आपको? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग अबाउट इट?
ma'am.
मैंने आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर भेजे थे, सिंपल क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, है ना? वो क्वेश्चंस थे जो कि हमारी अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेवलप करने के लिए हैं इंग्लिश लेसन में। ठीक है। अब उसमें जो आपने पढ़ा, जो एसेंस समझा, तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप मुझे, है ना, एक अपनी पोयम है, पोयम डस्ट ऑफ स्नो है, उसकी समरी अभी लिखेंगे आप मेरे लिए, है ना? और मुझे वो पढ़कर सुनाएंगे। ओके ना? आई एम गिविंग यू टाइम, उसको लिखो अच्छी हैंड राइटिंग में, एंड देन यू नरेट इट फॉर मी। 10 मिनट है आपके पास। यू रीड द बुक फर्स्ट, देन राइट द समरी ऑफ इट। ओके।
Ma'am, done.
Now tell me. Slowly, go slow.
Robert Frost's poem Dust of Snow highlights
Hmm. Pranav, actually, I'm not getting the voice. Rejoin. Once go out and rejoin the class. Okay.
फिर से क्लास ऑन
Robert Frost highlights after that.
Dust of Snow highlights the power of small moments in changing one's mood. The poet describes a simple scene where a crow shakes snow off a
Speak louder.
hemlock tree, letting
Speak
it
louder.
fall on him.
Speak louder.
From there, ma'am.
Hmm.
Can I say from starting?
Huh.
Robert Frost's poem Dust of Snow highlights the power of small moments in changing one's mood. The poet describes a simple scene where a crow shakes snow off a hemlock tree, letting it fall on him. This single minor incident uplifts his spirits and helps him appreciate the beauty of life. The poet conveys a message of optimism, showing how nature little gestures can bring joy.
Good. Very nice. That you have written by yourself. Did you write it by yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
पूरा खुद ही लिखा है?
भवानी मैम ने ये क्या बोलते लास्ट वाला थीम बताया था उसका बाकी सब मैं खुद से किया
Okay, fine. अभी क्या करना है? What you're supposed to do is, I'm giving you some questions. I'm giving you one question, by the way, right? And I want you to write its answer. Okay?
क्या
Just a second. Write down the question. What is the What is the theme of the poem Dust of Snow? Okay, this question is for 3 marks. One more question. Question number 2. How does the poet use imagery in the poem Dust of Snow? How is the imagery? How does the poet use imagery in the poem Dust of Snow? Okay. Now, what is the meaning of imagery? Imagery means when any poet puts some scenes to make us understand some things, right? So that imagination of the poet is called imagery. Okay. So whatever you understand with it, just give me the meaning of it. Okay. Write both the answers and then you tell me. You again you have to read the answer. Okay. Suppose if you don't understand any particular answer, let it be. However you are writing, write in that way, then I'll explain. But try to write it. Okay? Okay, written.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the first question's answer, the theme one.
Can I read?
Hmm. Read.
The poem conveys the theme of hope and transformation. It highlights how small, unexpected events in nature, in life, can uplift one's mood and bring a positive change in perspective. The falling dust of snow, though seemingly insignificant, helps the poet shift from a gloomy state to more optimistic outlook.
Hmm. Okay. Next.
Second one,
How does the poet
in
use
dust,
imagery in Dust of Snow?
in dust of snow, Robert Frost used vivid imagery to create an imagination of that situation. Imaginary he used are visual imaginary. The poet describes the dust of snow falling from a hemlock tree, helping reader to imagine that drop of snow, the crow and the dark hemlock tree add contrast.
Okay. Any other point you can write in this? Any other point you can write? Very good. It's a visual imagery. The example is of visual imagery. Very good. Right? What kind of